off your mouth. Will you stop that stupid thing you call your mouth? What effrontery?
Okay.
What morale? What bravado do you have to talk to me in that tone? Huh?
Okay.
Do you know who I am? An honorable like me? The number one citizen of this community? Somebody who is representing you people in this community in Abuja, and you have the effrontery to talk to me in that tone. Now listen, let me tell you. If by the time I go in and come out here still sitting here, you will regret coming into this compound in the first place. Idiot! Stupid idiot! A low-class personality like you. A vagabond.
No wahala.
And nobody.
No wahala.
And nobody as far as I'm concerned. Now give this compound before I deal with you.
I need to go anywhere.
No, okay.
I need to go anywhere.
No, sit here and watch.
Give me if you want, give me.
Watch what I will do to
Now
you.
my life I put.
Watch what I will do to you.
Police will shoot me. Only me.
What?
Do your worst. Do your worst. I don't fear you.
There, Jude.
I just want to.